Hello everyone, this is Prakhar Tripathi, and on the behalf of my entire group, I'm here to demonstrate our third year mini project, Sahyogi. And in this demonstration, I'll be taking you over how to create an account and how to create tasks and everything that comes with our app. Uh, uh, Sahyogi is basically an AI-powered task and project management system in which we are using custom AI/ML model that has been thankfully provided by Mr. Sayantan Sinha sir, and we are working with that. And the entire UI and the backend is created with Express in Angular. And let's just move forward with it. Thank you very much for you know tuning into this video. Let's go forward. So for the demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you how to sign up on Sayogi. So let's come on the sign up tab, and here we can see there are a lot of errors that are in the form fields. If we go and hover over them, it will tell us what's the actual error. For example, the full name is required, and full name cannot contain numbers or special characters because usually in our demographic, names are usually pretty much consistent with alphabetical strings. So that's why we have that filter in place. So for demonstration purposes, let's enter any name. And for the email, I'd prefer to use an actual email. Uh, but for the demo purposes, I'll use a demo email. And the error is gone right now. But if we go back, it will tell us that the proper email structure should be something like this that I've already entered. So yeah, for the password must be at least 8 characters long, include an uppercase letter and a number within special character. So let's go ahead and enter a good password. So I entered a password which contains numeric and special characters along with letters. And let's confirm the password. So if and only if the both passwords matches, then you will be able to sign up. So let's sign up. So we get a welcome message, something like this, and our session is active for 30 days. We set the session timeout to be 30 days because this app's not something like that where you have to have such great amount of security to session out every hour or every day. So that's why we preferred having session timer for 30 days. And when we look around here, this is our dashboard. There are no tasks right now here. So let me just do one thing. Let me log out and let me log in with my own account, and then we will move forward for them because I have a lot of demo data in place, so you all will be able to understand that properly. So I just logged in using my own account, and here you can see that this is how the analytics and the dashboard with recent task works. So for example, the total tasks that I've created in my entire users of this app is around 12 tasks, and 2 of them are in progress, and 8 tasks has been completed. Uh, so you can see all the percentages of the visual representation that how the task has been, the proper monitoring and all that is there. We also have this velocity that will tell us that how what's our velocity of completing tasks and all that. And here you can see all your recent tasks. For now, we are only showing 3 recent tasks, and for more details, we can go on the task tab. But uh, before that, I'd like to show you certain things. For example, this is the profile page, and in this you can see that we have a profile picture, a full name, email, phone, gender, bio, and organization if you are working somewhere and if you are using the software as part of that. Well, while editing, we will have these form fields, and for the image being a URL accessed image, the main factor was we weren't able to get a free or relatively cheap cloud service for us to use to store the images on cloud database. But until then, we are primarily using images based on URLs. So that's a drawback here. But other than that, the functionality is pretty much there. If I want to change my name here, I can change that. And if I save it, let's go, and so the changes will reflect there automatically. So this is the profile page. And along with it, we have the settings page. In the settings page, you can see we have a few settings here. First of all, we can toggle notifications just by clicking on them. And we below that we have the account settings in which we can change our password or delete our account based on your own uh, current password, and a new password to change the password, and your current email with the current password to delete the account. Let's move on to the notifications tab. I have 100 notification here. On 24th April, a new task was assigned. So you can see when a notification comes, it's in a lighter color for a proper visual representation. And if I click it, the notification will be red, and it will become darker to show that it has been read. And this is the entire notifications module. Uh, and this is the support page. Support page is basically for the people if you are, having some kind of a bug or glitch in your experience with our software. We are going to provide you with adequate support. And let's go back and see. This is the AI task prioritization module. I'll come back to this later uh, after showing you the task module. This is the creator button. This button will help you create tasks and projects, and this is globally accessible from everywhere. And let me just show you how a task is created here. Okay, so let's create a task. It will ask for a task title. Let's give it a demo, a task, a title, demo task, and let's give it some description. Let's keep the complexity at one. We have three completion states: to do, in progress, and done. The typical Kanban style board states, and let's keep it in to do. And the deadline should be, for example, 31st of May. Let's go ahead and create a task. It's taking a second, but yeah. So you can see the new task has been added in our list, and this is the demo task here. By clicking on it, we can open the task detail tab, in which you can see all of the details that we mentioned earlier are there. We can edit the task from here. Let's change the completion state to in progress, and if we save it, you will see the completion state has been changed. So this is how the task creator and task detail dialogues work. And you can also see that we have a notification here that a new task was created, demo task. So yeah, let's also create a project here. Let me create a simple project. Let's create a React app. Uh, for now, we are not giving a proper description here. The completion state is, sorry, the complexity point is 3. I don't think it's that big of a project, so just a complexity point of 3. The completion state in the project creator are these: yet to pick up, picked up, in implementation phase, in testing phase, and finished. For the project, we wanted to be a little bit detail oriented, so we have gone with these states. So let's say this project has been picked up yet. So let's give it a deadline, deadline of 30th, and let's create a project. It will take a second. And yeah, the project has been created. So now you'll be wondering how we can see the project. So we can go on the projects tab to see the project. So when we scroll down, we see we have a project, create a React app here. It has three complexity. Zero task has been created in this project. It is created on 1st of May 2025 and the deadline is 30th May 2025. Let's click on this project and we will see more details about it. This is the project details page. It is dynamically accessed by the project ID, and you can see the entire project detail here, and you can edit the details here from here as well. Let's go and change the state here, and when we save it, the state has been changed. We can add task here as well, similar to the regular tasks, but these tasks are primarily inside a project. So yeah, and if we go back, these are all the project that has been added here. Let's go to this project that I have already created. So you can see the complexity is 35. The tasks created in this are just one task. This project was created on 11th April and the deadline is 31st of May. And I have this one task here that is in progress, and you can see the task like this here. Okay. And moving forward to the task page, which is the primary focus of our app. In the task page, we have three columns, to do, in progress, and done. The typical Kanban style board. And we have filters over here on the top. We can order them by oldest and newest regarding the date. So when we click it, the task changes here. And we can order them by complexity, high to low and low to high. So if we go there, the complexity of is low to high now. So we can add this add task here as well, just like that. Just from the creator button. So as you can see, here's our demo task. Uh, Similar to a Kanban style board, we also have the functionality to drag and drop tasks. So if I just hold the demo task here and drag it to here, so the task state will change and the task is now in to do. To get more detail of it, you can see the demo task is in to do right now. So this is how the task page works. Now coming on to the backlog page. The backlog page is very simple. It's basically a calendar. It's providing us with a calendar with highlighted dates. For example, we created a task on 1st of May, that is today, and you can see the demo task is here. And when coming on to the deadline, that is should be 31st of May here, it's currently showing no task because the filter is set to the created date. If I go on select on deadline, the demo task also shows up again. So this is a easier way to manage your tasks based on a calendar. So providing your functionality to visualize how your are mapped in your overall month. So here we have the dashboard again. We can also see we are no new notification that a new project has been created. Uh, and every time when if you have notifications on, you will get these notification every time. And this is the search bar. You can search from everything that you have created so far. So for example, if I want to search the React app project, so if I just search React, the create React app project will show up, and if I just click on it, it will redirect me to the project detail page for that project. Similarly, if I want to see the demo task, I'll just enter demo, and the demo task is showing up there. If I click it, that task detail will open. And this is the basic overview of the entire thing. Now let's go to the main thing that has been the primary concern for us. That is the AI task prioritization module. So the AI task prioritization module uses a custom AI ML model, which will prioritize the task based on priorities. The priority is basically picked up by uh, how what complexity does a task have, what's the deadline, and what's the individual task itself. So according to the task that we have in our task array, so to present the project and to complete the Sahyogi web app, these are the highest priority project because these were due on 24th and 23rd April respectively. So these are the highest priority tasks because the deadline for these two tasks has been crossed. And the medium priority task, the finalize app and prepare for presentation, are also pretty far behind, but they are in the medium priority zone because these have less complexities as compared to the high priority task. And since the demo task has the due date of 31st May, it's on very low priority as compared to the tasks which are here. So this is how the AI task prioritization module works. And this is the basic overview of Sahyogi. And I hope I'm not missing anything. The site nav works properly with the dynamic with styling and all that. You can see here. And the app also supports light and dark mode. And I don't think there is anything else to for me to show you here. Yeah, I can show you the mail client systems. For example, if we come to the support page and if we write a support ticket, the support ticket details will be mailed to the certain emails that we have set up in our backend. So yeah, this is Sayogi. And yeah, let me show you one more thing about creating and deleting the accounts and all that. So let's just try one thing. Okay, I'm trying to log in with my new account that I created right in front of you, but I don't know the password for it. So if I come here, I'll enter an email. And for example, let me do it for my account right now because that the email that I used in that one was a demo email. So let me use my email. So it will ask me to send the OTP. I'll send the OTP. The OTP has been sent. Unfortunately, I can't open my mail on this recording, but I can go ahead and put a screenshot of that there in the video. So I just got a mail from Sahyogi saying that here's your OTP for login. Okay. So let me just go ahead and enter the OTP really quickly. And the OTP that has been given to me is 254358. So the OTP is the correct OTP is this. For example, if I just delete one character and click on verify, it will tell me that it is an invalid OTP. And let's go and put a random number there and then we will verify. It will also tell me that it's an invalid OTP. It will only respond if I enter the correct OTP, which is this. So if I did that, it will ask me to enter a new password, which I can do. And after that, it will be resetted. So let's just go back because I don't want to reset my password there. And let's log in to the account that we created earlier. And let me put in the password. And let's just quickly log in. Yeah, so here we are. This is the account that we created earlier, the John Doe account. And let's just do one thing. We will go to the settings. And we will delete this account. So the password change as I showed you works properly fine. I'm not just changing the password because for that I need a working email. I can change the password from here. For example, the current password is and I would like to change the password to something else. Let's say so until unless I put in the same parameters that are required to create a new password in the authenticator, I won't be able to change the password. So I entered a valid password and let's change the password. It will process the password has been changed successfully. So now when I'm going to delete the account, I'll have to enter that smaller password that I entered before. So let me enter the email and let me enter the new password that I created. So now we have deleted that our older account and so yeah, this is how the Sayogi works and I hope you all liked our project and wish the very best to you. Thank you very much. This is Prakash Tripathi on behalf of our entire team. Thank you very much.